Let's look at this interesting ACT problem. Okay, all right. So we have a triangle which has the vertices are given, which are 8, 2, 0, 6, and negative 3, 2. And what they said, the point C can move along some line, a certain line, where these have to remain stationary. That means they don't move, but the area of triangle ABC will not change. That's the key point for us to remember here, that the area has to remain constant. Okay, so what is the area of a triangle is equal to half base times altitude or height. Okay, so if you have the C and it's moving along a certain line here, in order for the area to be constant, what needs to happen is when you drop altitudes from the C, those have to be the same length. So let's say this is our line that C is moving along. Let's say moves to this point. From here, let's say we construct the triangle again. So this height or altitude we drop from C perpendicular to AB has to be a certain height, which again, if C moves, has to be the same height. And if C comes over here and you have a triangle like that, then yes, again, the altitude has to be the same. So the key understanding here is that you have the same height of the altitude. The altitude cannot change in order for the area of the triangle to remain constant because the base is the same. All right, is a constant, and we have to keep that a constant. So imagine there is a line where the altitudes from from every point are equal to this line AB. What that means is that line has to be parallel to AB in order for that to be achieved, because the distance is the same. So as you move the point, as you have the line, the distance to AB is the same. Again, you move, distance is the same, and so on. So how do you have the same distance? Is if those lines are parallel. My line is not very parallel looking here, but so that altitude is a constant. So it means the distance between these lines is a constant, which means these lines are parallel. So then in order to find the slope of that line, the C moves on, we need to just find the slope of AB, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus y1. Let's assign our points, x2, y2 for this point A, x1, y1 for B. So we just write the y2 minus 1, 2 minus 6 divided by x2 minus x1 is 8 minus 0. So which is negative 4 upon this is negative half. So that is represented by choice F here is negative half. So that is our final answer. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.